Hi guys, and welcome here on Hello Gorgeous by S YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna unbox and try on the new brow products released by the brand ZOEVA. I personally like a lot the brand ZOEVA. I love their makeup brushes. I use them every time when I do my makeup. I also like their eyeshadows formula. In my makeup collection I have a few ZOEVA eyeshadow palettes. And of course I want to mention the price of their product. It is somewhere in between high-end products and drugstore products, which make me to like the brand even more. I hope that these new brow products added to their line will pleasantly surprise me. If you order from ZOEVA official website, to get free delivery your order must exceed £50. And because of that I ordered this stocking filler, ZOEVA Together We Celebrate 228 Crease Definer Eye Brush. I already have this number brush, but they look different. I think that maybe they are from different collections. Now I want to show you how good and calm am I in unwrapping presents. This is how this brush looks. It's made 100% from synthetic hair. It's designed to blend, build and define eyeshadow in the crease. I like the shape of this brush. It's pointy. I think will do a great job for my hooded eyelids. Here come the brow products. Buying them together, the brow pencil and the brow gel, you get a discount. The price from the screen is for the both products. Here we have Remarkable Brow Pencil. I ordered the shade Taupe Brown. It is cruelty-free and vegan, free from mineral oil, parabens and fragrance. It looks like a standard brow pencil. On one side it has a spoolie and on the other side is the product itself. The shade looks good for me. I ordered the ZOEVA new concealer, Retouch Elixir, brightening and correcting pen in the shade Brighten Up. This concealer contains caffeine, cucumber extract and hyaluronic acid, is vegan and cruelty-free, fragrance-free, parabens-free and mineral oil-free. I hope the shade will be good for me. In the past I've had a few mistakes in ordering the right shade. The last product is Remarkable Fix and Care Clear Brow Gel, and this product is vegan, is cruelty-free, mineral oil-free, parabens and fragrance-free. Is long-lasting without leaving that white cast on the brows. The packaging is the same as their Infinite Potential mascara, pretty the same. Okay, beautiful people, we are done with unboxing. Now let's try these products on. My face is ready, I applied the foundation, and now we are going to try the new concealer from ZOEVA, Retouch Elixir. It has a very interesting applicator. We are advised to apply the concealer with 146 concealer brush from ZOEVA. I don't have this brush, but I have 142 concealer buffer brush and I will use it. I think will do the job as well. You need to blend the concealer quickly because I feel it's drying out fast. I applied too much product and this is visible. On the other eye I will try not to make the same mistake, I hope. As a first impression it looks nice. It did brighten the under eye area. It feels comfortable. I like it until now. On the other eye I will blend it with my fingertip. And guys, I like it even more. I think the warmth from the finger helps a lot. It blends effortless. And yes, I like it a lot. What do you think? The concealer is in place. Let's move to the brows. A good side of this brow pencil is that it's very thin and you can handle it easily. I am relieved. The shade is good for me. The pencil is nice. It's a bit stiff. It's not creamy. If you like to draw new hair, then easily you can do that. Unfortunately, because it's a new formula for me, I put too much pressure to the pencil and the tip of the pencil broke. I will learn from that. As a first impression, I like it. It's a good brow pencil. I need to use it more to make a fair opinion about it, but yes, at this point, I like it. It's time to set the brows in place with Remarkable Fix and Care Brow Gel. Well guys, the brow gel is lovely. When I saw the brush, I wasn't sure that it will do a great job, but it does. The formula feels a bit watery. It doesn't leave white residue on the brows. Very easy to use. I like it very much. Now that I tried all the products, well, except the makeup brush, I will try it with the first occasion to see how it works. Quickly Above the Brow pencil is a good product, a bit stiff for my taste, but I think with time I will get used to it. The shade is perfect for me, happy until now. About Remarkable Brow Gel is lovely, I like it a lot, very easy to use, a very good product. About the concealer, at this moment I like it. Definitely I need to use it more to see exactly how it wears. If my opinion will change, I will let you know. And this was today's video. Let me know your opinion about it. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!